Here are the 7 steps you need to write a blog. The first step is to start by deciding what's the topic that you want to focus on. Make sure it's a topic that will get enough attraction to your website and your page. The second step is to research your topic. Learn all that you can about it and give yourself enough time to do it. And also don't waste too much time on just the one topic. So you could give yourself 1 hour to do all the research and read all the kinds of blogs that are already on your topic. Take notes while you do this. That's a really important part of this step. The third step is to make a list of all the keywords that you will need to include in your blog. Using the right SEO keywords will improve the ranking of your blogs. The fourth step is to create an outline. A lot of pro bloggers and writers often skip this step. But if you're starting out, it's really useful to create an outline so that you can organize all your thoughts and research notes. The fifth step is to start writing. It might seem difficult, but at this point, you've done all your research, you've created an outline, so writing should come easy. And if you're still not ready, you should just go back and repeat steps 2 and 4. The sixth step is to now proofread your content. Make sure that your blog doesn't have any errors. And now the final step is to just pick out a good, catchy title and publish your blog. So there you have it, 7 steps to write a blog.